be rainbow. Welcome to Harry's World. Welcome to Harry's World. Welcome to Harry's World.
So, what are we gonna do today?
Science experiment.
Science experiment. And I heard you talking about rainbows. Where's rainbow?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
So those are all the colors of the rainbow because the rainbow is Royal G Biv. Those are all the colors that make the rainbow.
Oh.
What's this?
Baking soda.
Baking soda. And then what is this over here?
Gas.
It's vinegar.
Vinegar.
Okay, let's get started to see this explosion rainbow. You ready?
Yeah.
We are starting off by pouring each Kool-Aid color packaging inside the bowl.
This is so hard.
Okay, now we got all the colors. Now we're gonna put 1/3 cup
1/3 cup.
of baking soda in each bowl.
Okay.
Put a cup in each bowl.
But Eddie, here go nothing.
Good job.
Oh,
It's okay.
yeah. I'll get more.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
It's okay.
ooh, that
Good
was
job.
very
Drip, drip, drip. Drip, 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 drip.
That was very flip.
Stir it up, stir it up,
Stir
stir it up, stir it up.
Stir it up. What's gonna be look like?
Now we're gonna dump it all on a tray in the order of a rainbow. So
Order of
first
the rainbow?
we have red,
Vinegar.
red, orange, orange.
Rainbow.
Then we have yellow, yellow. Save room for the other ones. Yellow. Then we have green,
Green.
green. Now you got no room for the other ones. Then we have blue. Well, we tried to keep it in order. And then we have purple.
Purple.
Your rainbow gonna be all mixed up.
My rainbow gonna be.
Oh my God.
Okay. Don't mess me on me. Second.
So now he's filling the syringes with vinegar. Ah!
Go in the head.
Ooh. Bubbly. Oh.
to go.
Ooh.
Red.
Sizzling. We had 2 cups of vinegar. Now, we still have 2 cups. Almost down.
We're almost there.
It smells good.
It smells good.
It does.
Don't be talking that. Vinegar.
What is it?
It's gonna be. I don't know.
Let's see what colors it changed. You mixed them all up. Can I do one?
Yeah. Put this to the side.
Ooh.
You make red. Yeah, you make red. Otis one. Otis, you teach.
Blue.
Woo! It's Michael.
Sizzling.
Purple.
I think that's the blue spot. Ooh.
More.
It don't look like a rainbow. Because you mix the colors up.
Gonna make it color good. God, do I push?
It smells so good.
Oh, you don't like it. You like it. Oopsie, I meant to come in here. Well, what is that? Ooh. Make it in the cover. Ooh, I know go do that. Vinegar.
Vinegar.
Vinegar, help me. Thank you. Vinegar. Vinegar, help me. Just tell me what this. Look at what's this?
The vinegar helped you?
Yeah. Little shaky. Little bitty baby bird. My sheep. Let's make it again.
Was it fun?
Let's make it
How
again.
do it smell? Do it smell like a rainbow?
You smell like frosting.
Smell like what?
Gushing, gushing, gushing. Smell it, smell it. Smell it, Mommy.
It smells so good to me. Well, that's our exploding rainbow.
That's our filming rainbow.
Did you like it?